All right, y'all. So I want to be going over this Bitcoin price action today because we have gotten a pretty significant move to the upside yesterday. And I want to talk about that. I want to talk about, is this a legitimate breakout? Is this a fake out? What can we expect for the future? So make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. So let's first start by talking about this move to the upside, right? So basically, we had been trading in this sideways range for a very, very long time here. And when we put in this low, this is something that myself and others in the Discord had been waiting for, to basically take out all these lows for a move to the upside. And when that did happen, I did say in the VIP Discord, you know, this could be the bottom, right? I said this move is very bullish, to be honest. This could have been the bottom, right? And so I didn't get myself into a good position from here. And so I was hunting for longs. If you saw my live stream on Friday, I was basically hunting for longs right here. On Friday, live trading, hunting for longs. We're basically, you know, singing Eye of the Tiger to try and pump the price. Okay, I am obviously still in a short here, but I'm looking for longs, right? We can see here I'm in a long position. Why? Because I was looking for longs at these lows because we were coming down to a very, very important area of retest, which was taking the fib from this low wick to the high. We were coming down to that Fibonacci golden pocket retracement back at this major support where we had been finding support literally once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And so I did eventually get into a long position, which I'm still in right here on ByBit. Obviously, I've been adding to this trade along the way up, but I did have an open trade Sunday morning that I entered on Friday, holding it over the weekend without a stop loss because I was feeling very bullish. This looked very, very bullish. And then yesterday, when we were up here at the high of the range at resistance, we also were able to get into another long position from this low wick right from here to take another long trade yesterday, basically up to where we're at right now. I've currently closed out of that long 100% of the position here, just took my profit on it. But that long in the VIP Discord yesterday in the potential Bitcoin scalp setups channel, I was very specifically looking for a move to come down to this naked point of control at about 30,300 right there, about 30,300, for then a big move to the upside, taking out this high. And that's pretty much exactly what did happen. We came down to that level of about 30,300. Let's move that up to right here, 30,300, give or take. A little bit below it, and then we had our move to the upside. So if you do want to get into the VIP Discord, where every single day we post levels that we are looking for, trade setups, levels, all this kind of stuff, guys, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. We also have a thriving community of traders in here posting very, very accurate technical analysis like White Phoenix and K-Pax and Aladdin and Crypto Viking and Afternoon Delight and Boyan. They are absolutely masters at technical analysis. Also, if you want to learn how to trade and make a plan in advance and then execute on that plan when it comes to fruition, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader. Because what we do is we teach you how to have a plan in advance, so you have a very clearly defined point A to point B comprehensive system. You know where you're looking to enter, where you're looking to take profits, etc., etc. And so, getting back to this Bitcoin price action, the question now is, are we going to have a move to the upside, or are we going to come back down to the downside? Now, this move to the upside has happened on very low volume because it was a 3-day weekend, at least in the United States, and the majority of this price action has been a short squeeze, right? It was not new long trades opening up that was moving the price to the upside. It was actually shorts getting closed out. Shorts getting closed out. So usually when that happens, it means it can be a false move unless we get more volume coming in. We get a lot of new people interested in longing here, and then that could continue to push the price up. It could start out as a short squeeze, but then turn into a legitimate, healthy move to the upside with new longs coming in and new participants in the market actually looking to push the price higher, right? So what could possibly happen here? Well, there's a few areas that we really need to be aware of. Okay, now first of all, if this is a legitimate breakout, we need to be aware of this previous area of resistance that now will be acting as support. In fact, if we do come down here, I will be looking for a long from this area to potentially add to the long positions that I'm already in to get another move to the upside. Of course, if we don't see bullish indications here, then we don't take the long trade. If we come below this area, then I will actually be looking down to this box right here. Now, this box down here is very important. I was talking about it on my live stream or my video yesterday. But down here, we have massive confluences. First of all, we have a golden pocket coming in right around the top of this box. Secondly, we have a very high volume node down here. And third of all, we have this area of support that was acting as support for 7 bounces right near a CME gap. Now, what is a CME gap? A CME gap is the futures market for Bitcoin, only trades 5 days a week. So on the weekends, that market closes. So on Friday, that market closed right here at $28,800, but the Bitcoin price action kept going up over the weekend. This creates a gap in the candlesticks, right? Because when the markets opened up on Monday morning, they opened up right here, and we have this massive gap in this whole area that these gaps tend to be filled. They do tend to be filled. So if we start to lose this box, I'll be looking down to these lower areas to potentially give back everything we gave over the weekend, the long weekend, come down here, and here we might actually see bullish signs to hop into a long position from there. And of course, if we lose that, we have the macro golden pocket coming back down just under this wick we put in here. So these are the areas of support I'll be looking for. As for resistances right now, if we're able to hold this box, then I think the next major area is going to be that $35-ish thousand level. And the reason for that is because right now, these are the last highs that we basically have before putting in new highs in this little local area of price action. And then we have a very fast move up to this area of consolidation right here. Now, this area of consolidation is very important because it is the golden pocket Fibonacci pull from that last major high we put in here, which, by the way, we did take a short from in the VIP Discord from right here, shorted it all the way down. In fact, there are videos live streamed of me taking these shorts. If you go back, they're pretty epic, guys. They're pretty epic. They're pretty epic shorts. That was an epic time. But this is not only a golden pocket, but if we go to a higher term time frame, like the monthly time frame, all right, let's go to the monthly time frame and just kind of take a look. We can see that around that $35,000 area, we have these monthly candles from January of 2021 that give us this really nice area of support that held all the way until May, where we lost that level, right? And so this could be a very epic flip from support into resistance to come back down. And again, you know, the Fibonacci golden pocket is literally coming in. I'm sorry, this is the wrong golden pocket pull, but that Fibonacci golden pocket from this high is literally coming in right around that monthly level right there. So I'd be looking for that. And that would be my next target, my next take profit, because we can just see this very clearly defined support resistance flip right there, confluence with a golden pocket. And of course, if we come above there, then there are higher levels that we are looking at in the Discord. But yeah, that's kind of it for today, guys. Just wanted to come in and make like a serious video, just dealing with the TA here. Honestly, guys, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm really just watching the levels, right? This green box, 30.5 to 30.9-ish, is very important for us to hold as support. And if we can hold that as support, I honestly have no reason to say that I shouldn't be looking for higher levels, right? Because of all the things I explained in the beginning of the stream, we put in this very convincing low. We had a retest at a golden pocket, and then we have come up to the top of the range, consolidating here at the resistance for a breakout. So if it's a proper breakout, and if you missed the breakout, and myself personally, I'm going to be looking for a retest right here, you know, around this area. And if we can do that, then hey, I'm looking for higher. If we can't do that, well, hey, I'm looking for lower. So that's it for today, guys. God bless everybody. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, I pray everyone is super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Love the smell of this foam. It smells so good.